To install your new wall control, first turn off the power at the breaker box and disconnect current switches. Make sure all slides and switches are currently in the off position. To begin, connect the wire labeled AC and L and connect that to the line power from your breaker box. Next, take the blue wire labeled for light and connect that to the load wire from your light kit. Then you will take the black wire for your motor and connect that to the load wire for the motor. Lastly, take the green wire labeled ground and connect that to ground inside your electrical box. Be sure to secure all connections with wire nuts provided, press your wall control into the wall, and secure into place.